joined here with Cash and Xander. Here's Xander. And Cash, come here, Cash. No, I need to jump on your head. Where'd you go? Well, guess we just, I guess we just have Xander here. Yeah. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, I wasn't supposed to say. I'm gonna kill you. Die, Xander, die! Actually, I may not kill you. Someone will kill me. Hello, Spot. I'm gonna push you. Cash. Oh, don't shoot me. Or you'll be framed for murder. She's framed for murder. She killed me. I have it on tape. I have it on tape. I will bring it to the police of Robloxia. You better say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube or you die. Just because I was flexing. So cool. So cool. What happened, girl? Salty. Some salty. Ugh. Some salty girl over here just throwing shade. I didn't finish my flex. It goes like I have a flex. Xander. Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Actually, I'm gonna start over. This is a good place. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Ooh, it's Lucifer. Comment if anyone watches it. Lucifer the devil. Where's and I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat. You know. Yeah, this video is gonna be like 5 minutes long, so if you guys made it this far into the video, make sure to watch another one of my videos. It really helps my channel, and I will see you guys next time.